failures during the year, and the United States promptly announced them. The first and most spectacular of these was Vanguard at the end of 1957. There were other Vanguard failures. All achieved takeoff, but trouble occurred either in the second or third stages. Explorers 2 and 5, Beacon, and Pioneer 2 were also considered unsuccessful experiments.
Pump at flight speed, engines at maximum thrust, liftoff.
And there is liftoff of the Soyuz MS-10 to the International Space Station, carrying Nick Hague and Alexei Ovchinin to the orbital complex. This again is Nick Hague's first time to launch to space, and Alexei Ovchinin's second.
One copy, everything is good on board, and we are feeling well. Copy, Burlak 1.
Hearing good first stage performance for the Soyuz, delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. Again, the first stage of the Soyuz measures 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter. It's burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds of flight. Everything looking good, proceeding nominally.
Inaudible.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned. Everything continuing nominally. The 4 strap-on boosters have been jettisoned, and they've completed their job, dropped away at an altitude of 28 statute miles. Soyuz traveling about 3,350 miles an hour.
Is it emergency booster 2 minutes 45 seconds, the emergency, the failure of the booster? Failure of the booster. BS, yes, BS. Separation. Enable power.
190 seconds into the flight, Soyuz traveling about 4,700 miles per hour.
Don't be in a hurry. Burlaki, copy. We are in weightlessness, according to our sensations. Stand by. Burlaki, do you have F1 illuminated? 11:42:17. Failure. 11:42:17 is the time of the failure. F1 on SP is illuminated. Copy. His shroud is separated. The crew is feeling well. Everything is well on board. We have routes in our hands, and the power is on. Copy. So what are the recommendations of the ground? What about the separation? Did the separation go through? Yes, it did. 11:42:55. Burlaki, Did you deactivate Rus power? No. Did you activate the Rus power? Yes, the Rus power is on. ON. Now, please send BS command. Ballistic descent command is sent from Rus controller. Copy. 11:45:30. BS has been sent. We have the indicator illuminated. The overload has started. Yes, we are getting ready for the deload. Time 12:46. Deload is 6.7. Copy. We feeling rotation. The deload is going down. 18:46:20. Deload is 272 and going down. Copy, Burlaki. So tighten the straps in work.
Hearing there that there has been an issue with the booster, and we're standing by for information as we continue to get it from the Russian flight control team. But
composite metals, catastrophes are always a possibility.
Rockets are a risky business, and a lot of time and energy is put into trying to be sure that we don't have a bad day and ending up in a failure.
On January 17, 1997, one of the worst rocket disasters in history occurs at Cape Canaveral, Florida. On Launchpad 17A, the Delta II rocket carrying an $81 million satellite.
3, 2, 1, 0. We have ignition and liftoff from Cape Canaveral Air Station of the Air Force Delta II launch vehicle carrying the new GPS-2R satellite.
The rocket soars through the sky with 200,000 pounds worth of thrust. Suddenly,
We have had an anomaly.
It was between 1,000 and 2,000 feet in the air.
on Cape Canaveral,
We need to secure the area.
a fortified building close to the launch pad is pummeled by the firestorm, threatening the safety of workers inside.
And we did have a major problem.
The explosion also creates a toxic cloud containing hydrochloric acid. Experts know that the cloud will be blown
In such a way that there's no human life at risk, no toxics or plumes that can come back over human beings, no environmental concerns.
Again, in 1998, a new rocket, the Delta III, prepares for its very first launch.
3, 2, 1.
We have main engine ignited and low vernier.
During its initial stages, the $225 million mission appears to be going without a hitch.
Thrust vector controls on the solid, looks good.